Hi everyone. I know it's been a while since I've been on here to create a video for you guys. So today I wanted to talk about critical illness as well as a corporate strategy that business owners can use so that they can put more money into their pockets. Now, what is critical illness? Critical illness is a insurance product that was invented by a South African cardiac surgeon. I believe it was in the 70s, and he noticed that a lot of his patients kept coming back to him falling sick again due to financial hardship or financial stress. When someone is sick, usually they would have to take time off from work, which means that there would be a lapse in income that would be coming in. Now, how it works is if you were to fall ill to any of the major critical illnesses such as cancer, stroke, heart attack, there's many more, then you would get a one-time lump sum paid out to you tax-free, so you can use that money for whatever you want. Whether that is going outside of the country to get better medical treatment, maybe it's to pay your own bills, or you could go to Vegas and gamble it away, which I don't recommend, but it's up to you and how you want to use that money. Now, how critical illness can be structured is you can have a 10, 20, or 30-year term policy, so it's quite straightforward. The other way of doing it is you either have it structured as a 65, 75, or 100-year term policy. Now, let's just say you were to get covered up until you're 65. We can actually structure it so that if you never had to make a claim when you're 65, the policy will expire, but you would get all of your premiums back to you tax-free. Now, if you decided to have coverage up until you're 75 years old, rather than needing to wait until the policy expired for you to get your money back, you can actually cancel or surrender the policy anytime after 15 years, and you would be able to get all of your premiums back to you tax-free. The same applies to the 100-year as well. Now, as a business owner, if your company owns this policy, it becomes a corporate asset. So then your company is using corporate tax dollars to pay into this policy rather than you using your own personal income to pay into this. In Alberta, usually small business tax rate is about 8 to 10%. So you're spending a lot less on the premiums of this policy than if you were to pay it personally. Now, if you were to cancel it after 15 years, all the premiums that your company has put into this policy, you actually get all the premiums back to you personally tax-free. So that way, that's how you are able to take advantage of all the tax savings and therefore get more money back into your pockets. So I hope that makes sense. If any of you have questions, feel free to shoot me a message and I will be happy to answer any of them for you.